Okay, welcome guys, old friends and you. Another unboxing today. This unboxing I'm going to do a bit differently. My last unboxings I've copped a bit of grief because apparently I waffle on a bit and I don't actually fly the silly thing, so I'll make this one short, sharp and shiny to keep some people happy. I do apologise for doing that, but that's life. So what have we got here today? We have got the JD Toys JD16 ages 14 and plus. This is how it arrived in the mail. Slightly squished and squashed and thrown around. It came from the good mates at Banggood. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I purchase these quads from overseas, I don't actually look at the dimensions of it. I actually thought this thing was going to be a bit bigger, but as you can see, it's quite small. So at a glance in the box here, high def camera, high def video, 6-axis gyro, 360 flips, headless mode, 1 key return. It holds its position and Wi-Fi via iOS or Android app. So let's crack on in. I have actually opened this previously. I did cheat. Just needed to make sure the battery was fully charged. So inside you get your 2.4 gigahertz manual in English and Chinese. So we just pop this off, and underneath, see you later, you've got your mandatory charging USB cable, your proprietary battery. She just plugs in there, and you've just got another cable you got to keep handy. Little tiny, what is it, milliamp thingy majigamy battery. Yeah, she's pretty small. I'd have to look up the specs for you. I'll stick them up on the screen. But probably your normal 8 minutes of flight time. Rest assured I'll be doing a flight time test very soon. So standard prop guards, standard cheap A screwdriver, and how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 spare blades, which is pretty handy for me, as we all know. And yeah, your stretchy thingy majigamy phone holder that hooks onto your mobile device. Just hope the wind doesn't blow us away. It's a bit blowy here today, but nevertheless I'm still going to fly it. Yeah, standard controller, usual buttons. It's got your trimming, it's got your this one here is the one to worry about, the second one down. There's no markings on this at all. It's, yeah, on off, and there's just a whole heap of buttons, so you'll have to refer to the manual. Phone holder, will that hold a Note 3, a Note 4 even? Yeah, pretty well. So what happens here, I think that just looks like it goes straight in there, and oh yes, bit of a clunk there. Okay, so it just clicks over and we are ready to roll. Almost forgetting the actual quad itself. Yeah, like I said, I thought this was going to be a bit bigger than what it is, but yeah, she's pretty tiny. Here it is next to my phone. So yeah, she's a pretty small quad. 2 batteries, 1 and 2. They simply click in, click out. Okay, maybe I'm just being rough. 720p camera on the front, non-adjustable, and we'll shoot some footage now just to show you guys. The arms seem pretty strong. Seems like a pretty tough little unit. Oh, God, jeepers. So we'll soon find out how tough it is. The rubber stoppers actually feel like the rubber legs feel like they're actually stuck in okay. These tend to come up on all these Chinese drones. Of course, for the price, sub 70 Australian bucks, there's no SD card, so record straight to your phone. Open up your app, firmware, etc, etc, and first pictures. Here we go. Doesn't look too bad. A little bit grainy, but lag, yeah, a bit of lag as well. You can see that there. But hey, the truth will be in the actual flying. Okay. So like I said, here we go. No more messing around. The JD16 is about to take flight. I hope that was quick enough for some of you guys. Right, so it's paired. Now I thought it's bottom left, bottom right, but it's not. It's actually push the left stick forward and your props will start up. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put on 60% because it's a bit blowy. This is your standard controller for this type of quad. It does all your usual stuff, pretty simple. I'm going to hit the record button. It's going to record to my phone, so that should be up on the screen now. And it's going to be a bit of a breeze test as well. Okay, push the left stick forward, starts the props up, push it again, and she takes off. Oh, it's pretty responsive. So I will have to compensate for the wind, so you guys will see what the picture's like. I've just ascertained that this doesn't fly very well in the wind at all, so I'm hereby declaring this an indoor only quad. See if I can get a bit of a flip going here for you. This will be interesting. Not terribly responsive. Bit of wind. Let's take it down the ground because it's just going to fly away. This hates the wind, guys. It's very hard to control. Definitely an indoor drone. A bit of an air inside there. This is for you. Oh no, I'm having trouble. Let's land it. Right, okay, let's go on the faster setting now. Ooh, blimey. Okay, so that's pretty quick. Now look, I'm not going to do too much, guys, otherwise I'm just going to destroy this like I've destroyed my previous quad that you guys are probably still laughing over. Check out my last video. I'll stick it up on the screen there. Have a squiz at it, it's pretty funny. Yeah, this looks like a pretty cool little unit. Let's take it down to see if I can get this in front of you here so you guys can have a look at it. It does have some arrows on it for left and right trim, which you can probably use. And does it hold still when there's a slight breeze? No, it doesn't. Just get this down here for you guys to have a look at. Camera looks pretty cool. As I said, just an indoor drone. Everybody wouldn't be taking this outdoors too much, unless it's dead calm. So there you have it. It's quite hard to hold that still, especially out here. See if I can get a flip going. There we go. There's a flip. Just get that thing going again. Pretty tricky. Hey, where you going? Okay, pretty cool. Hey, good fun, guys, this one. Do I recommend it? Yeah. If you like drones, absolutely. Without a doubt. Let's just go from left and right so you guys see how fast this thing goes. Oh, it's a nippy little unit. We'll be crashing at any minute now. I won't do it now because the conditions aren't right, but I will do a full battery, fully charged battery time test. See how we go with that. Link in the description, guys, as to where I got this from, how much it costs, and some details and specs of it. Of course, give us a thumbs up. And yeah, like and share, and I'll catch you guys on your upload soon and show you some support back. I'll see you up in the sky, which is where I'm going to finish this video on. Up in the sky, there we go. Oh, it's going to end bad. I'm bringing it down. I can't lose 2 drones in a week. Down we come.